Go over here. You gotta do it over here. Doesn't even notice that there's a storm. Ready?
Means Mom and Lucy.
Open the door just a little. And fake like you're gonna run at him.
No, it's too cold. Sorry. Can't play that game.
Here, hold this thing. There's crust on his face.
Ice. Not crust. Ice.
Walter, come inside. Come inside. Walter, come. Oh, forget it. Forget it. Look at him. He's got ice all over his face. Walter, come. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come inside. You got 5 seconds.
Walter!
Forget it. Forget it.
We'll get a treat, then he'll come.
Walter, come.
Oh, sit. Sit. You
Oh,
crazy
look
dog.
Look at his face. Look at his face.
Turn the light on. Hi, silly dog.
You have ice all over your face.
Silly guy. Now you're all wet. Now you're a wet dog.